In today's video, I'm going to teach you how link Nano Banana 2 with Antigravity. To begin, open your Antigravity app. Make sure you're on the latest version so the labels match what you see here, as interface wording can vary slightly across updates. Once the app is open, look toward the top of the workspace and click Open Agent Manager. This is your control center for models, tools, and workflow settings, and it's where all the linking and configuration happens. Inside the Agent Manager, you can either open an existing project or create a new project. Choose whichever makes the most sense for what you're trying to build. Opening an existing project is great if you're continuing prior work, while a new project keeps things clean for a fresh setup. Either way, you'll land in a configuration view where you can adjust key options that shape how the system behaves. Find the planning setting and switch it to fast. Planning determines how thoroughly the agent thinks through tasks before producing results. Fast prioritizes responsiveness and quick iteration, which is ideal for testing setups and trying different prompts without long wait times. You can always return later and try more deliberative settings if your workflow needs deeper reasoning. Next, click on the Gemini setting and choose Gemini 3.1 Pro High. This selects the model backbone your project will use. The high designation generally points to a more capable tier, providing stronger language understanding and improved output quality. If you don't see exactly this option, look for the closest available tier of Gemini in your environment. Now that these core settings are in place, this is where we can use Nano Banana 2. With your project open in the Agent Manager, Nano Banana 2 becomes available for use in this configured environment. If it's been set up previously, it should appear ready to work alongside your selected model. This pairing lets you route prompts through the project's configuration while benefiting from Nano Banana 2's capabilities inside Antigravity. From here, type your prompt in the input field and click Generate. Aim for a clear, specific instruction that states your goal, any constraints, and the desired format of the result. For example, briefly describe what you want Nano Banana 2 to analyze or create, and add any key parameters it should honor. After you press Generate, review the output and note how the fast planning setting and Gemini 3.1 Pro High inform the results. That's the complete flow. Open Antigravity, go to the Agent Manager, pick or create your project, set planning to fast, select Gemini 3.1 Pro High, use Nano Banana 2 within that setup, then type your prompt and generate.